Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Tata Nexon review pakalam. First nama engine and transmission la iron to start panalam. Engine type 1.2L Revotron turbocharged. Engine displacement Pothing a 1199 cubic centimeters. Fuel type petrol and diesel la available Autoruku. Max power output Pothing a 118.36 bhp at 5500 rpm. Emission norm BS6. Max torque 170 Nm at 1750-4000 rpm la produce panathu. Number of cylinders 3. Transmission. Manual and automatic la kuda thurakanga. Gearbox 6 speed. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in Nexon. Next performance and fuel economy Pathipakalam. 30 to 70 kmph, third gear, 10.91 seconds. Braking, 100 to 0 kmph, 41.83 meters. 40 to 80 kmph, fourth gear, 19.09 seconds. Braking, 80 to 0 kmph, 26.69 meters. 0 to 100 kmph 11.64 seconds. Next nama brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pothingana. Suspension front independent, lower wishbone, McPherson strut with coil spring. Suspension rear semi-independent, closed profile twist beam with coil spring and shock absorber. Brakes front disc. Rear la drum kuda thurakanga. Steering type powered. Minimum turning radius 5.1 m. Tire size 195/60 R16. Wheel size R16. Tire type tubeless radial. Next variants and price tag Pathipakalam. XER 7.19. Lock. XMR's 8.15 lock. XMSR's 8.67 lock. XZR's 9.15 lock. XZ Plus R's 9.95 lock. XZ Plus Dual Tone Roof R's 10.12 lock. XZ Plus SR's 10.55 lock. XZ Plus Dual Tone Roof SR's 10.72 lock. XZ Plus, O, R's 10.85 lock. XZ Plus Dual Tone Roof, O, R's .11.02 lock.
Brace yourself. I can see the end inside. 3, 2, 1. Hardwired. We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality. Hardwired. We used to look up at the sky and wonder at our place in the stars. This is the world you've made yourself. Now you have to live in it. The end is in our sights. The future is already here. No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed. Say your goodbyes. Brace yourself. I can see the end inside. Three, two, one. Hardwired. Disconnect.